Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 maths, the first chapter in NCERT textbook, number system. In that we are going to discuss question number 7 from exercise 1.3 in this video. Let's get into the question. Write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. We all know about the numbers, okay? So we know that and the numbers, you have your real numbers, okay? So when you classify real numbers, you have broader classification called rational numbers and irrational numbers, okay? I've already discussed this in detail in a video previously. Please get back to that video and try to understand if you have any doubt in this, okay? So for a rational number, what are the conditions? It should be what? Terminating, or it can be a non-terminating and repeating or repeating decimal. Because rational numbers, you have it of the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay. So when you talk about irrational numbers, it is going to be what? Non-terminating and non-recurring. We all know what numbers will be non-terminating and non-recurring. So it will be what? It will be square root of the numbers which are not perfect square. We have pi. Okay, all these we have as the non-terminating and non-recurring. So that is what we are going to write. Is that clear? So what are the numbers we know? We know the numbers are going to be what? Root 2, and then you have pi and all. But here they want us to write in terms of decimal expansions, so which you should be very clear about the numbers. So for root 2, what do you have? You have 1.414, 213, 562, and it goes on. Okay. So for this you need to remember what is the number. Okay. No, if you say that no, I don't remember, so how do I write for this question? You can also write it like 0.50100511500, okay, 1501235, like this. If you write also, then you can say it is going to be what? Non-terminating and non-recurring. So in this way you can write any number of numbers. So I can write 0.235 02 03 05 2233, like that. Anything you can write like this. They want us to write three decimal numbers, okay? So then you will have 0.51511 501 551, like this you can write, okay? So this, in this way you can write, or you will have to remember the square root of numbers such as root 2, root 3, and you can remember the value of pi alone up to few decimal places, and then you can write that also as the answer, okay? In any way you can write, it will be correct only. So this is all about your 7th question, which is very easy to understand, okay? So see you again in the another video for the 8th question, children. Thank you, children.